plan to make commuting smoother for some folks in Hoover. WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough shows us what could happen along Interstate 459.
Cars are constantly driving across this bridge on South Shades Crest Road in Hoover that goes directly over Interstate 459.
There's only so much widening you can do on South Shades Crest Road, which is really cramped right now.
John Cockrell lives just off the busy road. He would love to see the city of Hoover create an interchange where South Shades Crest Road meets 459.
If anything, it could alleviate some of the congestion.
So residents living in the Trace Crossing subdivision have to go all the way down South Shades Crest Road, jump on Highway 150 just to be able to get on Interstate 459.
You'll see in this budget that we propose to buy additional land so that we can move forward with the I-459 interchange.
Mayor Frank Mercado saying traffic is an important component of the city's proposed $132 million budget for fiscal year 2020. Cockrell plans to take advantage of the interchange should it happen.
It's kind of now or never.
Hopefully making it easier to navigate this stretch of road. In Hoover, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.